Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. Here I have a small off-grid system. This is in the backyard. Those are grid tied. Right now in the winter, I have mostly in the shade. It's all trees over here. The sun usually gets above that one and the house, but this is winter. So eventually we're going to have solar arrays on the front or on the side of the house where these are going to tie in with all the other solar panels. But it's all connected. The 4 solar panels are connected right here, 13.8. Now, when you start out, you're off-grid, you're going to want all those solar panels coming in to a charge controller, like this one here, and I don't have it wired like that, not yet. But anyway, you want it to go to the charge controller and then the battery. But those are little, so they're not going to damage the battery at all. But it's freezing out here all the time with that polar vortex and stuff. But I'm still at 13.8, which is good. Keep it above 12 volts. You can start out with a car battery. But here, I have a deep cycle. So, marine and RV. It's fairly new. But it's working. This inverter here, I got quick disconnects on this, so I can go ahead and discharge that if I want. But I'm not going to yet. I'm going to get a cat litter container, a plastic bucket or something. I'm going to put that battery in there to keep this battery from freezing up on me. And I'm going to insulate it with some styrofoam because when the battery is charging, it's warming. And at least it'll be able to create its own heat and keep the cold out. So you want to keep it cover. You want to keep the cold off your battery as much as possible. But then I'm going to cut a hole in the lid or near the top of the bucket so I can run all the wires out. One little hole, and then I'm going to put caulking on it. But my wind generator broke and fell off, so I may just put this in the basement and add it to the other 9. We'll see. We'll see when we get there. It's an option. All right. Go ahead, click, like, share, all that good stuff. I'm trying to grow the channel, and we're going to do it again anyway.